Hello dear partners, and welcome to our annual Best Partner Award ceremony. We're going to unveil the best Bitrix24 partners and projects of 2023 in 15 nominations. This is the fourth Best Partner Award ceremony. As usual, the winners will get up to $5,000 worth of bonus that can be spent in the Bitrix24 Partner Store, in addition to certificates and honor badges. Before we get going, here's a quick word from our Chief Marketing Officer, Dmitry Davidov.
2023 was a fantastic year. Our partner sales grew by almost 80%. We have successfully completed no legacy project. 10 to 15% of all new customers now select Cloud Enterprise plans. We've had 2 major releases, bringing the power of artificial intelligence to Bitrix24 users. In short, we've all worked great together as a team. But now, it's time to talk about specific partner accomplishments and celebrate individual success stories. So, let's start.
Well, I think many of you have already guessed who we were talking about. They have become so big that we have decided to honor them with a special nomination. The most impactful Bitrix24 Partner Award goes to Br24. They are leaders on almost all categories: the best cloud seller, best cloud enterprise seller, best app developer with PowerZap and Chat Booster apps. We also have to mention their great webinar dedicated to the Bitrix24 Vega release as one of the best promo online events last year, as well as the implementation for Instituto Fazendo Acontecer, a nonprofit institute that provides entrepreneurship program for high school students in São Paulo, empowering the youth in one of the most vulnerable regions of the country. And of course, Br24 is celebrated as the authorized training provider for their unwavering commitment to excellence in training. Their contribution has not only elevated the Bitrix24 professional community, but has also inspired countless number of partners around the world on their journey towards success.
Uau, aguenta coração! Parabéns a você, Felipe, e a todos os shockers da Br24. Essa conquista reflete apenas a dedicação demonstrada por todos vocês. Em nome da equipe Bitrix24, recebam um grande abraço em forma de agradecimento por seguirem cumprindo o propósito de empoderar pessoas e empresas a irem além com o Bitrix24. Estendo os agradecimentos e felicitações também aos demais parceiros premiados nessa edição: CRM Think, HL Solutions e Charme24. Obrigado a todos os nossos parceiros pelo excelente trabalho realizado. Desejo a todos vocês um ano repleto de sucesso.
And this concludes our ceremony. It was great to see all those new faces as nominees, as well as Bitrix24 partners who've been with us for over 10 years but still keep breaking new records. I want to wish the best of luck to those who came close to winning. And here's to our success in 2024.